Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly activate and pay with Google Pay. So let's go and do that. Alrighty, now what we can do is we will enable NFC. So swipe down here to your notification shade and then find out NFC. So you will need to have this activated that this thing will work. Now the second thing is we will go to the settings now. So swipe down and right here we will go now to the settings like so. Hit this button right over here. So now we are in settings. I will just type into the search bar contactless payments. So click on that like so, and then go here to the contactless payment and select here default wallet app. I have Google Wallet. Now when I'm next to this card reader in the shop or somewhere, I just uh, place my phone to that reader and it will automatically detect and the transaction will go through. So this is basically it, how you can enable uh, contactless payment. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.